Comparing quantities using proportion, exercise 5.3, part 1. For more interesting videos on compound interest and simple interest problems, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Sudhakar borrows 15,000 rupees from a bank to renovate his house. He borrows the money at 9% per annum simple interest over 8 years. What are his monthly repayments? Here the principal P is given as rupees 15,000. Okay, and 9% per annum is the rate of interest R, and the time period T is 8 years. We know that simple interest I is equal to PTR by 100, where P is the principal amount taken and then T is the time period in years and R is the rate of interest in percentage. So here I equal to 15,000 into 8 into 9 by 100, which is equal to 10,800. This is the simple interest. So what is the total amount that he has to pay? Amount equal to principal plus interest. Okay. So what is the principal here? It is 15,000 plus interest is 10,800. The total amount is 25,800 rupees. What is the monthly repayment? For 8 years, he has to pay every month some amount, so that this entire amount is paid. So monthly repayment for 8 years will be 25,800 by how many months will be there in 8 years? If one year has 12 months, so 8 years means 8 into 12. So this amount has to be divided with number of months to find the monthly repayment. So 25,800 by 8 into 12, that is equal to 25,800 by 12 8s are 96, equal to 268.75. This is the monthly repayment for 8 years, so that the amount can be repaid. So monthly repayment is rupees 268.75. A TV was bought at a price of rupees 21,000. After 1 year, the value of the TV was depreciated by 5%. What is depreciation? Depreciation means reduction of the value due to use and age of the item. So find the value of the TV after 1 year. Here the principal is given as rupees 21,000. N is 1 year, because we have to find the value of the TV after 1 year. So N is 1. R is minus 5. Why? If the value appreciates, R value will be positive. But here this TV has depreciation, so it is minus 5. This 5% should be written as minus 5. This is very important. In the case of depreciation, R should be minus 5. So first let us apply the formula for amount. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. This is the amount formula. So here principal P is 21,000 into 1 plus, instead of R we have to put minus 5. So plus into minus is minus, 1 minus R is 5 by 100 whole power 1, because N is 1 here. So 21,000 into 1 minus 5 by 100 whole power 1. That is 21,000 into 95 by 100. After simplification this becomes 19,950. So the value of TV after 1 year is, what is the value? Rupees 19,950. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 8,000 at 5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. Compounded annually means this is a compound interest problem. So we have to calculate the amount now. P is rupees 8,000, R is 5% and T is 2 years. So A equal to T means N. N is 2. So A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. That is 8,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole square. Okay, this is equal to 8,000 into 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. After simplification this becomes 8820. So the amount is 8820. So what is the compound interest? Amount minus principal is the compound interest. So what is the amount? 8820 minus what is the principal? It is given as 8,000. So 8820 minus 8,000 is rupees 820. So here the amount is 8820 rupees and compound interest is 820 rupees. Fourth problem. find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 6,500 for 2 years compounded annually. The rate of interest being 5% per annum during the first year and 6% per annum during the second year. Here we should not directly apply the value of n as 2 because principal is 6,500 rupees. Rate of interest is changing. For the first year, it is 5%. For the second year, it is 6%. So, if R is 5%, N should be taken as 1 year because we are calculating amount for only 1 year here. So, amount equal to after 1 year, amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N, that is equal to 6,500 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole power 1, that is equal to 6500 into 105 by 100, which is equal to 6825. Now what is P? This amount becomes the new principal. Okay. Now P equal to rupees 6,825. On this, the rate of interest will be 6%. The rate of interest will be 6%, and then N equal to 1 again. For the second year also, N should be taken as 1 because from now, after 1 year, we have to calculate the amount. So, amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N, that is equal to 6825. Instead of P, we have to put this amount after 1 year as the principal here. So, 6825 into 1 plus 6 by 100 whole power N, which is equal to 7234.5. So, the amount after 2 years will be 7234.5 and compound interest will be amount minus principal. The principal that is taken before 2 years. So, that is 6,500. So, 7234.5 minus 6500, which is equal to 734.5 rupees. Pratibha borrows rupees 47,000 from a finance company to buy her first car. The rate of simple interest is 17% and she borrows the money over a 5-year period. Find how much amount Pratibha should repay the finance company at the end of 5 years and her equal monthly repayments. Here P is 47,500 because this is the amount borrowed. R is 17%. T is 5 years. Here it is given that the rate of interest is simple interest. Okay. I equal to PTR by 100 is the formula for simple interest. So, I equal to 47,000 into 5 into 17 by 100, which is equal to 39,950. This is the interest. So, what is the total amount that she has to pay? Principal plus interest. What is the principal? It is 47,000. And what is the interest? Simple interest 39,950. So, what is the amount? It is 47,000 plus 39,950, which is equal to 86,950. So, what is the monthly repayment? This amount 86,950 has to be repaid in 5 years. 5 years means 5 into 12, that is 60 months. So, that is equal to 86,950 by 60, which is equal to 1449. So, the amount to be repaid is rupees 86,950 and the monthly repayment will be rupees 1449.1. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.